Hello, wisdom seekers, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of working with emerald, the stone of the heart. And for those who have watched my videos before, welcome back. So excited to have you back. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher, a certified gemologist, and now a brand new author. And I have just recently published a book, Crystal Wisdom: Unearthing the Power of Gemstones for Positive Life Change. And if you are interested in learning crystal wisdom from start to finish, I will link the book in the eye above or a link in the description below if you're curious about checking that out. But today we are going to be talking about how emerald can enhance crystal wisdom in your life. This is the stone of the heart, and it all revolves around your connection with other people in your life. Now, you'll notice that I'm holding a pretty big chunk of emerald, and there are 2 qualities of emerald. There is tumble quality, which is this very light green, because there are like just mere inclusions of emerald in this stone. And then there is the deep, brilliant grass green of jewelry quality emerald. If emerald is your birthstone, then you may already have emerald jewelry, and you can do crystal wisdom with the gemstones in your jewelry, in your rings, your pendants, your earrings. You can do that as well. You do not need a big piece of emerald to benefit from its wisdom. Now, the first benefit of working with emerald in your life is that it expands love in your life. It is connected to the heart chakra. It deeply expands and opens your capacity to give and receive love in your life. It helps you discover those areas of love in your life that maybe you haven't seen or recognized yet. It helps you determine where you may be blocking love in your life, where you might be putting up barriers. Even though you want more love in your life, you might secretly be sabotaging yourself, and emerald will help you see if you're doing that. And it also helps us open up to opportunities of love. Maybe you've been hurt in the past. You're feeling hesitant about exploring new relationships, making new friendships, getting out there in a social environment and connecting with people again. Emerald will help support you in inviting more love into your life. Now, the second benefit of working with emerald is that it enhances our relationships. It helps to strengthen those relationships, take them to a deeper level. It helps to heal relationships that might be a little fractured right now. Emerald is a stone that wants to cultivate that love with the people in our lives, not just significant others, but family members, friends, those that we care about. If you're having a disagreement, it helps you come back to that place in your heart that reminds you why you care about that person. It reminds you of all of their wonderful qualities, and to maybe have a little bit more compassion for their point of view. It doesn't mean that you have to agree with them or that you have to be a doormat in a relationship, but it does bring us back to the heart so that we're not reacting out of frustration or anger or fear, that our communications with them come from a place of love. And if we do need to have a difficult conversation with them, that we're doing it in the most helpful way possible. And the third benefit of working with emerald is that it helps to bring peace to communities. So it brings unity and patience and empathy to groups that you may be connected to. It could be a friend group, a family group, a group that you work with, a team that you connect with on a regular basis. This emerald helps to enhance the qualities of the peacemaker. It helps you then remind other people of your common love, of your common appreciation, of your common purpose, to bring people back to the reason why you're gathered there together in the first place. This is a great stone for those who do lead groups of people, like managers, project managers, town leaders. It helps you to cultivate a sense of community and unity. This is also a great stone if you're a marriage counselor, if you're a therapist, if you work in helping to manage other people's relationships. This helps you get into that energy of helping two people connect at the heart center. And then the fourth benefit of working with emerald is that it helps you have a deeper connection to family. If you've been feeling disconnected with your family, if you've been having a difficult time with them, then emerald helps you discover that heart space in family. It helps you be together even when you don't agree. This is, especially useful if families have political differences, spiritual differences, differences of opinions about other things in life. This helps you still be together and appreciate family, even though you are all unique and different people. This is a gemstone that helps you connect with family traditions. If you have been exploring your ancestry, if you've been wanting to resurrect or to just connect deeper with those activities and special moments, milestones, even recipes that kind of call honor to the generations and family members of the past, then emerald is a beautiful stone that helps you make those discoveries. So working with emerald it's just a phenomenal stone to help you connect with all of the people in your lives, whether the love is deep or whether it's a professional relationship. Then emerald helps you cultivate the very best, most compassionate energy with which to strengthen those relationships. Thank you so much for joining me. And if you do feel like emerald is a gemstone that you would like to work with more, then in 2 days on Friday, I am going to be posting a guided meditation designed specifically to work with emerald. And you do not need a piece of emerald to benefit from the guided meditation. If anything in this video or if any of the prompts in the guided meditation really call to you, they speak to you and feel familiar, then that's a sign that you should get some emerald and work with it some more. If you have been watching my videos and you've enjoyed them, or you've just discovered my channel and you're really interested in hearing about lots of gemstones and how they can improve your life, and you haven't already subscribed, then please do hit the subscribe button so you don't miss a single gemstone video. And please, please do click the link and read up on my book about crystal wisdom and see if it seems like a book that you would like to delve into. I'm really, really excited to share this book with you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you during the guided meditation.